What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We have something super special for you guys this week or this weekend. The wife and I are actually in Andalusia. We have never been to a Boggs and Boulders before, but here we are. So next footage is probably gonna be us on the GoPro, just riding around, getting to meet some people, having some fun, I guess. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're going out. I think we're gonna go to the trails. We've been riding around for a little bit now, met some awesome people, and let me tell you, I've been saying this all day, all right? All this bull crap on the media about how everybody's racist, this is racist. You tell me how we get out here in the sticks, and I mean the sticks, all right? There's nothing out here. People from everywhere. Some of the nicest people I've ever met. White, black, Hispanic, everybody's just hanging out together. So, coming from first-hand experience, it is not like the media is saying at all. Everybody's just out here having fun, doing their thing, just like us. And let me tell you, these black folks that are out here, they got some money. I'm telling you, everybody's rolling out Can-Ams, Polaris. I mean, they got it all. Secure or how watertight my clutch box is. You go, I'll go. Come on. If I can make it through that, you dang sure can make it through that.
Watch someone else go through it first. He just did it. Didn't stick our way through. That one on the green just did it. Let's see you do it.
I'll go on the outside. Oh. Got a little bit more deep than I expected. Yeah. They're going back through, so I'm gonna wait. Huh? Yeah, I know. I said I'm gonna wait because they're going back through. Golly.
They did.
my belt isn't smoking. Boys, we are in it today. Oh, you're
smoking. You're smoking.
Yeah. I was expecting mine to start slipping, but
I think I got some water on my engine.
Yeah.
you got some water in your belt box. Is your drain plug in there?
My tickets are like...
Oh. Well, boys, we about to take a pause real quick because the old Polaris shutting down on us.
Just pull up and out the rest of it.
Gotcha.
Wishing we would quit, but a friend exists.
I had to wash this. Why is yours dirtier than mine?
I don't know.
My tennis shoes before we came to decide we were going to walk the fucking cave. Okay.
How far is
My Nikes,
How
right?
far is it?
I have no
It looks like caves right there.
Far?
This tough guy there that can ride this so badass, so good. We come up on a little bit of loose mud. Remember, baby, I don't have my waders on.
I came out short.
So apparently there's a cave over here, or multiple caves over here. So we're gonna go check them out real quick.
Did Mike not come, Christy? Oh. She left her husband. Oh, I'm gonna hit my. There we go. Thanks. Oh. I fell.
You okay?
Yeah. I can't see.
Or are you a little drunk?
No, I couldn't see.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to shine the light back
My
there.
contacts are blurry.
Can't see nothing. But it's alright. You don't need to see. Because I got you. This is pretty cool though.
It is. I got my ankle good.
Yeah, you got a little bit of splash.
One's all spotted down over there.
We're using a flashlight so I can see.
Yeah. It's not a very big cave, but it's pretty cool. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. It got deep. Hold on. No. Go. Nah, don't give it. Oh.
There you go. Get back on. Get back on. Got you. Keep it running. Keep it running.
Don't gas it slow. Slow.
I wish I could have seen y'all go in that hole.
I got that all on camera too.
No, hey, that hole's a lot deeper than
Yeah, it's a lot deeper than it looks.
Always got to be a test dummy. Good job.
Hey,
I knew to go to the right after I saw y'all.
Can you wash that off? Or wipe it off
Hey,
with baby
here.
wipe?
it's it's
What kind of phone is it?
it's an iPhone. It's all good.
All of them are waterproof. Water resistant.
Water resistant, yeah.
You can go dunk it in my ice chest if you want. Oh yeah, we got baby.
Boy!
Baby.
Yeah, it's fine.
Baby, give him some baby wipes.
I was like, it can't be any deeper than all these other ones, right? Nope!
I know it's misleading.
Do what?
It's misleading because it's been hard bottom everywhere.
You just...
I'm like, where's the cooler at?
I'm still a civilized girl, okay?
Hey, I brought some too. It's just in my bag. Oh yeah, this thing's still cool. Oh yeah.
What kind of phone is it?
iPhone. I'm gonna have to dig the mud out of my speakers though.
You need some more?
I need something more dry. A what? Yeah. I say I'm a little wet. Yeah? Yeah, I can dig that out later.
It seems to be dry. Well, you're not dry. It's the problem. Now you're touching my phone.
Yeah.
Like you got waders on now.
Yeah.
I was like, he's okay. He's going his way to that.
Yeah, you can just, yeah. It's a little deeper than it looks. Yeah, that's what he just said. You can put that in there too. If you will, thank you. Yep. I'd say. I think my little patch job on the, good job. The lady was like, I was like, it's a little deeper. She's like, I thought you had waders on. Yeah.
You're doing a good job. You sealed it good enough.
I think so. I'll take it out at 4. That's the only thing that saved us. I was like, oh, I wasn't getting enough traction.
Don't do it. That one over there looks bad.
Which way?
That way.
This way?
Don't go to the right.
No, let him.
Go to the right. Don't go to the right. Stay
Yeah. Hey, I mean, if you want to. Oh boys and ladies, we about sunk her. We didn't get stuck. We just went down a little bit. Golly. Yeah. I thought I was gonna stay dry. Some good footage right there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I couldn't fit everything in one. I want to give you guys the best perspective possible of what we went through during Boggs and Boulders and just how much fun it was. I cannot describe to you how much fun and the great people that we met there. But if you guys liked it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. There's definitely a lot more to come. Like I said, we loved it, and so we're going to be trying to plan this out a lot more. And also, if you saw Duncan's last video, he finally announced that he's moving down to Florida, where we are. So we're going to start doing a lot more content for you guys together, and it won't be the whole back and forth, I make a video, he makes a video kind of situation. So we got a lot of things coming, and hope to see this channel grow, and hope to see a lot more of you supporting. We can't tell you how excited we are. We've been talking about this for a couple years now, and it's finally working out to where we can. We've fallen in love with the YouTube platform and just being able to express our enjoyment for automotive and just, you know, sport, like motorsports in general, whether it be bikes, cars, trucks, I mean, all that stuff. We just love it, and we want to bring that content to you guys and just bring you into our lives a little bit. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.